So why does that matter?
That is bad for the environment. There are 22 billion pairs thrown away each year worldwide.
Well, then what am I supposed to do? There's no way I could have recycled those shoes.
You don't have to recycle them with the super slides.
What are those?
The super slides are slides made of corn and paper.
I'm Cyrus.
And I'm Gavin, and we're here to talk about the super slides. We made the super slides because 22 billion pairs of shoes are thrown away each year.
Usually, normal shoes take 25 to 40 years to decompose.
85 million tons of paper are thrown away each year in the U.S.
That's way too much. That's why we are creating these amazing super slides.
These are the super slides, but keep in mind they're just a prototype and they're a little too small for Cyrus's feet.
They're made from a 3D printer and paper.
That makes them recyclable. The sole of our shoe is made from 3D filament.
The 3D filament is made from corn, beets, or potatoes.